Step into a realm where timeless allure meets contemporary style with factory direct hardwood flooring. At Redeemed Hardwood Flooring and Decking, we present an exquisite range of high-end hardwood flooring that seamlessly elevates every space with its sophistication and enduring beauty. Every plank, meticulously crafted from nature's finest materials, becomes a testament to elegance and a masterpiece in its own right. As an industry-leading hardwood flooring specialist, we bring you an affordable luxury experience that combines the classic charm of hardwood flooring with modern design. We promise not just products, but an enriching experience that effortlessly enhances your interiors, delighting you with factory direct luxury and savings. Our mission is to make superior quality hardwood flooring accessible and affordable for all. By eliminating the middlemen, we source directly from the mills, ensuring adherence to top-notch industry standards and a significant reduction in costs. Our direct approach enables us to pass these cost savings to our valued customers, making high-end hardwood flooring more affordable than ever before. Redeemed Hardwood Flooring and Decking revolutionizes your shopping experience with our unique shop-from-home service. We bring the showroom experience right to your doorstep with large sample slabs of our flooring options. Enjoy the comfort of choosing the perfect hardwood floor for your space from the convenience of your home. Our commitment to offering an unparalleled customer experience also ensures that we keep all our products always in stock. This commitment minimizes project delays and assures a timely arrival of your chosen flooring, reinforcing our promise of seamless and efficient service. The shop-from-home experience. At Redeemed Hardwood Flooring and Decking, we're not an e-commerce, but we're committed to providing our customers with utmost convenience. Our shop-from-home service begins with a personalized consultation to understand your color, type of wood preference, and budget. Our early focus on your budget helps us tailor the best product and service offerings that maximize your investment. Next, we provide a visual treat with photos of potential wood floor options to ensure we're heading in the right direction. Following this, we bring the showroom to you. Our experts visit your home for a project estimation and bring along samples, allowing you to visualize the hardwood floor in your own living space. Finally, we present a detailed estimation and cost breakdown, ensuring complete transparency. This step is our way of involving you in the process, giving you complete control over your investment. Upholding core values. The Redeemed Hardwood Flooring and Decking difference. Our values lie at the heart of our operations. They guide our actions and decisions, serving as our compass in delivering excellence. Integrity. We believe in doing what's right, even when no one is watching. Our unwavering commitment to ethical conduct drives our operations and interactions. Never short-sighted. We understand that investing in hardwood flooring is a significant decision. Therefore, we prioritize our customers' long-term interests, ensuring our solutions meet their future needs. Our guys matter. Our people are our strength. We uphold their dignity above all else, believing that their well-being is invaluable. Grit, persistence, discipline, and a can-do spirit are the foundations of our success. We persistently strive for greatness, overcoming all obstacles in our path. Extreme ownership. Our team members are empowered to make decisions that align with our core values. Every decision is rooted in the question, is it ethical, and is it right for the customer? Explore the world of elegance with us at Redeemed Hardwood Flooring and Decking, where we turn every space into a work of art, one plank at a time.
We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. Choosing the right materials and the installation method can be overwhelming for many. So, we've developed a simple process to guide you in making the best decision for your peace of mind and wallet. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemedflooring.com.